What's up, guys? We're back again for another beautiful day in sunny South Florida. We're talking about the Ram today, guys, but today we're gonna go ahead and we've got to install the new filters, and these are the XL, guys. The XL, that means you can go a little bit longer, and you can also make sure all your fuel is clean. You want to make sure that all the contaminants are taken out of the fuel before it gets into the engine. We're going to be showing you guys a quick video on how we get that done today. This is going to be my second time that I've done this, not on this truck but on other trucks, so bear with me because it's been a little bit. But anyway, let's go ahead and dive in, guys. Alright guys, we're gonna go ahead and pull these filters out right here, and we're gonna install these bigger ones. The only thing I'm worried about is having room for the long ones, so we got this in the way. So we're gonna see if we got some room in there. Kind of worried a little bit that we might not have room for the long ones. We'll see. Out. Now, one that don't like to fire up, that gets a little scary. Alright, so we got that in. Took a few times to make sure if you're going to install the FASS system near the left fender, make sure you don't put the spacers on. Makes it a little tight for them filters to go in, so keep that in mind. And I didn't install the FASS system. I had a buddy of mine did it at the Dodge dealership, so I'm gonna keep note of that. But we got it in there. Took a couple times to get the pump primed, but we got it primed. And now I'm gonna show you a couple things that we got done on the Ram, since it's haven't been posting any videos, so I'm gonna talk about that right now. All right guys, check this out. So just want to show you something. This was on the Ram, January 22nd. Customer stated that the daytime running lights on both headlights are turning yellow. You couldn't see it in the video, but guess what? Each headlight $17.95, $35.90, and then installation $588, $39.74, guys. And guess what big boy paid? $250 deductible, baby. So we got the new lights on there. You can't really tell now, but these are brand new, guys, brand new. The LED strip down here was starting to turn yellow. Just so everybody can see. Probably can't tell with this light. But that LED right there that's flashing, that was yellow on both sides. Really bad. I did not file these with my factory warranty. I filed these guys with Fidelity. I keep telling you guys, if you haven't already and you're looking at purchasing a warranty, go ahead and get it, because that's what you're going to want to make sure you have is Fidelity. They will take care of everything. Now, the other thing that I did, let's go back to the list. Oh yeah, it's not on there, sorry. I got my mechanic. The other thing that I did was I changed the hub bearings. Now, you can't see down in here because it's on the inside, it's internal. But I did not go with the OEM. You see that blue line right there? Alright, that's your speed sensor. That is Moog. So I went with Moog on the hub bearings, guys. Moog has been around for a long time. Some people might say, oh man, I didn't have good luck with them. A lot of people are going to say I had really good luck with them. Factory OEM hub bearings, $1,000 a piece. Didn't even last 70,000 miles. Moog, I got them 200 a piece, baby. Actually, less than 200 a piece. Depends on where you find them. If you guys are looking for any of these parts that I installed on the fuel filter or on the hub bearing, I'm going to go ahead and tag the description below. But we're going to go ahead. We got to head down to the doctor. Got to get old crown put in. We get back in the Ram. We're going to let it rip like a tater chip, baby. So we're in the Ram. Everything's driving good. A few little hiccups there putting it on. I probably should have put the fuel in there on the filter so it would have filled up a lot faster and got pressure. But I was kind of hesitant. But anyway, I want to talk to you about a check engine light that came on my truck. What I'm going to tell you guys was something a little scary. So I'm not sure. When I ran it by my mechanic, he told me it could be the clutch going out, or it could be the sensor, the circuit board, I guess, whatever you want to call it. But anyway, I got a solenoid circuit code, and my truck went down to 4th gear going cruising. And I could not get out of 4th gear. So I had to go ahead and I had to shut the truck down, clear the code, start it back up. Everything's running good. So if you guys are watching, you might have some information on that. I'm going to go ahead and tag the picture right now. And you see right off here in the corner, the code. I'm unsure. This is the first time it's happened. I'm having some codes. I'm having a message pop up also about low voltage. Sometimes usually happens in the morning. Most of the time when I notice it, my mechanic was telling me because I got the heater grid delete, it's going to throw a code. but my radio goes off. It says that power something something something. I'm thinking that either the alternator or the batteries need to be replaced. Let me know what you think. So real quick, I want to talk about upgrades. We're going to talk about the next upgrade that's coming on in the Ram, what we plan on doing, as long as we don't have to rebuild that transmission just yet. I'm looking to go ahead and, well, I'm going to go ahead and do it anyway. We're going to go ahead and we're going to put the Fox shocks on this bad boy. We're going to put the AST steering stabilizer on it. We're going to get that put on and we're going to get them installed, guys. Should have done it a long time ago, but never got around to it. After I went ahead and put it in the Jeep, I was like, man, we need to get these things put in the Ram, get this thing riding right. Got old rough country steering stabilizer on there, and that thing I would say is about shot, guys. It did about 6 years of work. Old truck turned over 6 years, maybe 6.5, depending on when it was picked up from the order. But anyway, that's what's going to be happening. If you haven't already, guys, click the link down below. Get you some merch. It helps out with the channel. Help support the channel, guys, because that helps me keep on making videos to help you guys out so you can make sure you make the right investment. So yeah, guys, we put the new lights on, put the hub bearings on, guys. Just put the new fuel filters on. Everything's running good on the truck, guys. Blowing more smoke. Blowing more smoke. Rolling coal, baby. Rolling coal.